In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Google Meet. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Meet website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with the option to start a new meeting. Take a moment to click on the New Meeting button. Google Meet is about to become your next boardroom or classroom. Virtually, of course. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see a drop-down menu with a few options. To jump straight into a meeting, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect when you're looking for a quick way to get everyone together without the hassle of scheduling in advance. Your meeting will start immediately, and you'll find yourself on the familiar Google Meet interface ready to connect. Now here's where you can tailor your meeting view to your needs. Look for the three dots or the More Options menu at the bottom or top corner of the screen. The placement might vary depending on your device. These three dots are your gateway to customizing your Google Meet experience. Within this menu, you'll want to look for and click on Change Layout. This is the magic button that allows you to adjust how you see the participants in the meeting. Google Meet offers various layout options, but for seeing everyone in the meeting, the tiled option is your best bet. Select Tiled from the list of layout options. The tiled layout lets you see multiple participants at once, making it feel more like a traditional meeting or classroom setting. The number of people you can see at once will depend on your screen size and resolution, but Google Meet usually tries to fit as many people as possible. After selecting the tiled layout, simply click on the close button to return to your meeting. You'll now see your meeting participants in the new layout, making it easier to engage with everyone. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've customized Google Meet to ensure you can see everyone clearly, enhancing your interaction and making your virtual gathering more effective. Whether it's for work, school, or casual hangouts, knowing how to adjust your view in Google Meet can make all the difference in your online communication. Remember, the world of virtual meetings is always evolving, so keep experimenting with Google Meet's features to find what works best for you and your team. This wraps up our guide on how to see everyone on Google Meet. Thank you for joining me and happy meeting.